Aquatic birds of the family Scolopacidae possess slender bills which can vary considerably in length. They feed primarily on invertebrates, although some may include fish, amphibians, and plant material in their diet as well. Over the course of a year, these birds can be found in a variety of habitats. The greater and lesser yellowlegs possess bright yellow legs, a brownish-gray back, white underside, and a long bill. The lesser yellowlegs is smaller. Female spotted sandpipers fight other females for territories. A female typically ruffles her neck feathers as she chooses among males for a mate. Spotted sandpipers feed on fish and aquatic arthropods.